Hi and welcome to another Mustad tips and tricks. Today we're going to be putting a frog support pouring pad in using Comfort MIx. So my first tip is to get the shoe on the foot and find out where its location is and to find where we need this frog support to be. So I'm going to mark the shoe with the red line running where I need the frog support to go to. Mark the inner edge of the pad, ensuring that you're always doing this on the white peel back aspect. Okay, we're going to come across to find the center and the apex of my frog. Then I'll take a straight line. So I use my tongs to come to the heel and to the heel. Now we cut all this out, so we cut around the red line. We cut up the frog markers. We have a silhouette of the inside of the shoe. So I don't know if you guys are familiar with Comfort MIx just yet. Really easy system. You can only go one way on, so it locks on that way, which is quite nice. But it's physically impossible to put it on that way. So that's on there now. Goes into the gun like that. A few pumps down, and then the cartridge is locked inside. So we removed the adhesive on the back of one foam board. We place the template we've cut out onto the foam board, ensuring we keep this on. This is going to prevent it from sticking to the material when I remove it. So take a mesh and you cut your recesses for your clip. Take a little bit of ultra sticky adhesive spray. Spray that onto the shoe and place that on top. Nicely stuck on there now, ready to go to the foot. Okay. So now take the template and find the toe of the recess and place that in there. Now I have the horse to stand on it. We have the foam board secured on the foot with the template inside. I'm going to take my Comfort MIx and just gently pump in the back of the heel. Sure it comes right to the back. Nice little bead at the back there. So the top board comes off, and as you can see we've got a nice V shape there for our frog. Peel this out and peel the paper off the back. We've got a nice even distribution throughout the sole. We've got a nice little frog plate that's going to disperse load evenly throughout this foot. Thank you very much.